Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about belts on your vehicle. Very important, because especially today, because one single belt, often serpentine belts are what we use now a lot, runs everything on the front of your vehicle. Everything from the air conditioning to the water pump to the alternator to everything else. And if you actually have hydraulic power steering, a lot of vehicles don't today, but if you do, it runs that also. Over time, belts do wear. They are a rubber type of material. As you can see, we got a belt here that has a bunch of chunk out, which is part of the belt has come apart, it's worn out. We also end up with belts that the back of them wear from damage of other items. You can see here I got a great Napa example of different kinds of belt failures that happen. The material does wear off the belts. We do measure the depth of the groove to see how much material is worn off the belts to determine when they need to be replaced. When doing so, it's a great idea to also look at the belt tensioner itself. They do wear, and the idler pulleys that they roll on, and make sure that everything's in great order. Make sure you have your belts checked regularly and replaced at required intervals. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Auto Man, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.